This video will go through some of the homepage layout and creating read more links on your homepage in any article for that matter that renders on your site. You'll notice that on the homepage it's a two-column layout. We've got one intro text that's showing up to begin with, followed by two more columns, and then they've got a read more link here. There is no read more link on this specific content item, so if we clicked on this and it took us to that page, we're only going to see one paragraph of text. It's possible that this front page or this specific item was set to not show a read more link, but we'll show you how to create that here real quick. So for starters, let's go kind of clean up this layout on the home page. And we showed this in previous videos. We go up to main menu, or go up to menus and then down to main menu, and we'll go click on the home link. We need to edit the front page the front page component basically. So we'll go click on home over here on the left, and we'll set this so it only shows us we want it to be one column of text, so everything else we can leave the same. So let's hit save that change and go back to our page and hit F5 and refresh things. And so now we're going to get one layout or one column. So now we kind of read, we got our titles here, another H1 tag inside, and some other content here. You can see the different content items are set apart by these different icons here. We can choose to unpublish those or publish those in the article parameters there. But for these purposes, let's go back to the front page manager, because that's what we want to deal with. We want to deal with items that are published on our home page of our website. And once we are there, we can go to We Are Volunteers. This is the very first article that shows up, and you'll notice, you remember in the front page settings where it said intro. This is what it was talking about. If we paste additional text without a page break or a read more link, we actually want to read more link. If we paste additional text on this page, it's going to publish all of this. And let's just do that real quick. We'll show you that. We'll hit apply and then come back over here and refresh. And now we're doing this live on the web, so if it's taking a while, I apologize. So what you're going to see is all that text published on this home page, which we don't want because it obviously blows out our formatting and make our pages really long. So in order to split that up, all we need to do is come back to our item and say, you know what, let's put a read more link, and we want our read more link to show up after this paragraph. Or we could say, you know what, show this second paragraph, and then down the bottom, right down here, we can click read more, and it's going to insert that break right there, and then we can hit apply, and we can come back to our home page and refresh, and we'll see a read more link below this second paragraph. And you may or may not want to have read more links or whatnot, but it helps on your front page to have them so you don't blow out the formatting and have extremely long pages and long page load times. So now we've got our read more link. We've got this other paragraph here. We can, on the back here, we can go ahead and save that and then go up to the article manager. This will take us back to the article manager. We can go to parameters. And depending upon what the settings are on our home page, where we can set to show icons or not, in this instance, we'll just hide all these different icons. So we'll hide all of that information, go up the top and hit save. And if those parameters are not overwritten on our front page manager, then they won't show up, and it looks like they were overridden. So we need to go back to the menus and then down to main menu, and then back into our home, the front page manager, and actually override those settings, telling it this is how we want it to view on our home page. So we don't want these icons to show up. We want to hide all of these. We don't want to use the global. If we had the global set to actually show the print or the PDF icon on the article pages, and if we set it to show global here, then it would show up on the home page. So now all those icons will go away, cleaning up the home page a little bit. So that's how to add a read more link. If we wanted to move the read more link up, we would simply come back to the content item and click above this text and click the read more and insert it in there. And I hope that was helpful.